This is the 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 Mega Cab. My hubs are completely seized. I found a video on YouTube that helped me out a lot with this. Instead of sitting there banging on your nuts, your bolts, sorry, to try and get these things out, there's a trick I see on YouTube. I didn't know if it was going to work for me because I live in Canada. We have a lot of corrosion and shit up here from salt and snow. So all these videos I've seen are based out of like California and Washington and stuff, so they don't have a lot of that stuff. So I did the other side with this by myself and it worked like a charm. This side I haven't touched yet. Well, we did on one side, but the other side is not touched yet. So I'm going to show you guys if that works. If it does, awesome. You guys can do this. It should 100% work for you. We'll go from there. And then okay, so back here we are in the where the hub is. So, oh, I just fell over, sorry. So this is where we already have done this side, so I'm sorry that we couldn't have showed you that, but this was totally seized up before. It was not moving. I was banging on these nuts, like I don't know if you can see it, these bolts, sorry, I keep calling them nuts. You can't really see it, but they are rounded a little bit because I was hammering on them a lot, but it did free up a little bit. Now we deal with oh my god, focus, there we go. We deal with a lot of rust and corrosion up here, so I was not expecting this to work. Sorry, my dog. But this side here I have not touched yet. Oh my god, sorry, this is a terrible video. This side I have not touched yet. We're gonna do this right now. If this frees up, it should free up 100%, but this side is totally seized. I just did my passenger side. I'll show you. My passenger side's brand new now. This is the hub that came out. It's totally fried. The bearing is just totally crisp on it. There's nothing left of it. But I put some anti-seize on the back. Yeah, it worked pretty good. It worked really well. I used the whole bolt trick to try and hammer them out, and it just didn't work that well. So what you do, I'll show you what you do. If you've watched the other videos on how to do it, what you do is you grab a socket and an extension. Now, some of the guys have been putting, this is gonna be such a bad video for all this because I'm moving around so much. What you do is you put your socket on there. It does not have to fit the nut or the bolt, whatever. It doesn't have to fit that. All it has to do is be able to sit on the shoulder of it. So you want to put your socket on there. So let me get this sorted so that you can see it first. So you want to get it on there so it's like this. And then what you want to do is, if you have a shorter one, it will land about here. And then when you turn the wheel, it will hit this and it'll push your hub out. Now, I was skeptical about it because this is so seized up that I didn't think the power steering was actually going to have the force and the power to push that out, but it worked. But since I don't have an extension that short to push on this part here, mine is able to reach back here. So Curtis, if you want to go ahead and turn the truck on, and we'll give this a go and see if it works. So this is going to turn and it's going to hit that wall. Okay, just slow. Okay, wait. Okay, so now we're off and we are sitting. If I can get it focused, where is it here? It's sitting against that. You can't really see it that well, I'm sorry. But it is sitting on there. It's flush. Now Curtis, if you want to just turn it real slow. There we go. Okay, well, you're good. There you go. See? So that worked. That's amazing. So, okay, shut it off. So I said again, I live in Canada. We deal with a lot of salt up here, a lot of snow, lots of tons of corrosion. So wherever you live, if you have this kind of issue, I 100% guarantee it will help you. It will definitely solve your problem. Don't sit there and try and pound your bolts out, because all you're going to end up doing is getting mad, stressing out, and swearing. Try this trick out first. This is the first thing you should try. It will help you so much. Just all you have to do is find something long enough to either hit that wall or hit the inside of the I'm not even sure what that's called actually, but just find something that I can wedge against, and it should help you out. But yeah, I'll end this video at that, and hopefully it helps you.